Well, sir, when that early pioneer turned his eyes toward the West, he didn't demand that somebody else look after him. He didn't demand a free education. He didn't demand a guaranteed rocking chair at eventide. He didn't demand that somebody else take care of him if he got ill or got old. There was an old-fashioned philosophy in those days that a man was supposed to provide for his own and for his own future. He didn't demand a maximum amount of money for a minimum amount of work. Nor did he expect pay for no work at all. Come to think of it, he didn't demand anything. That hard-handed pioneer just looked out there at the rolling plains, stretching away to the tall green mountains, and then lifted his eyes to the blue skies and said, "Thank you, God. Now I can take it from here."
Well, I thought we was going to be left with firewood, but there's still one good board left in this. We've got a little pie shape here. I'm going to come through here first and cut off this little angle here at the top and get rid of that. Leave about maybe 4 inches so we get a 4-inch board. And usually I wouldn't go through this much trouble, but there's some really nice medullary rays on this face right here, and I'd hate to lose it, and I'd hate to throw it in the firewood pile. Definitely worth the effort. We can make 2 cuts here, come up here and get rid of this little apex here at the top and lay it flat on the mill and make a face cut that's parallel to the bottom. We'll get a nice little 1x4 out of this. Every board counts, guys. Gotta make every board count. And doing this method of quarter sawing we're doing today, this is the least amount of waste I've ever had by quarter sawing. All I'm gonna be left with is just a little corner piece at the top and a small little offcut here to flatten this side. So let's make 2 more cuts here and get 1 more board out of this. This is exciting for me. I'm new way to quarter saw here, and that just gives you a better return on your timber. More money, that's what it's all about. Those quarter saw boards, they bring sometimes twice what a regular board will bring. A quarter saw white oak will bring twice what white oak will bring if you flat saw. See if we can save this one and put 1 more board on the stack.